Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what is considered the best Homeline 15-amp dual-function breaker on the market, the Square DHOM115 PDFC by Schneider Electric. This circuit breaker combines advanced safety features with ease of installation, making it a standout choice for both professionals and homeowners looking to enhance their electrical system's protection. The Square DHOM115 PDFC is a single-pole, 15-amp breaker designed specifically for Homeline load centers. What sets this breaker apart is its dual-function capability. It offers both combination arc fault circuit interrupter and ground fault circuit interrupter protection. This means it safeguards your home from two major electrical hazards: dangerous arcs that can cause fires and ground faults that can lead to electrical shocks. One of the most innovative features of this breaker is its plug-on neutral design. Unlike traditional breakers that require pigtail connections, this model connects directly to the neutral bar in the load center. This design reduces installation time and clutter inside the panel by eliminating extra wiring, which also frees up gutter space for better organization. Compatibility is key when upgrading your electrical panel, and the HOM115 PDFC is designed to work exclusively with Homeline Series 4 and newer load centers. This ensures a secure, plug-in fit that adheres to strict electrical standards, maintaining reliability and safety in your home's wiring system. In terms of physical dimensions, the breaker measures just under 3 inches deep and about 3.13 inches tall, with a slim 1-inch width, making it a compact but powerful component. It occupies one space per pole, which allows for efficient use of panel real estate when configuring your circuit layout. This breaker operates at 120 volts and is perfect for circuits requiring 15 amps of current, making it ideal for general household applications such as lighting and receptacles in kitchens, bathrooms, and other living areas. Its dual-function protection means it not only meets but exceeds current electrical safety codes, giving you peace of mind that your electrical system is well protected. Manufactured by Square D, a brand under Schneider Electric known for quality and innovation, the HOM115 PDFC has been a trusted choice for years. The breaker is durable, reliable, and built to withstand the demands of everyday electrical use. If you're looking for a circuit breaker that simplifies installation while offering comprehensive protection against arc faults and ground faults, the Square DHOM115 PDFC is a top-tier solution. It combines safety, efficiency, and ease of use in one compact device. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want to see more in-depth reviews and product breakdowns like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Stay safe and powered up.